Are you a college student taking up research subject? Or a senior high school student taking up Practical Research 1, Practical Research 2, Inquiries, Investigation, and Immersion? Hi, I'm Mom Jacille, and I'll be sharing with you 3 websites that you can use in making your review of related literature. So, let's start. The first website is the Google Scholar. As you can see here, you can type in the information or the keywords that you would want to research. Say, for example, reading comprehension. When you look for a literature, make sure that it's within 10 years or 5 years. Here, an example, how can students improve their reading comprehension skill? So as you can see, it is written in 2016. So we can make use of that. And it's from Google Scholar, but the information can be retrieved from researchgate.net. So as you can see there, and that is the second website that I would want to share with you. In ResearchGate, you have there the scientific information that you would want to use in your review of related literature. And the third website, the Google Books, or in Tagalog, Google Mga Aklat. So there you can look for books that are related to your topic or to your research problem. Just make sure that those books that you will choose are not outdated. So maybe roughly 2010, 2013. Cite properly the references. You copy the URL, the DOI, the authors, the name of the literature. Okay, so that's all. Thank you for watching.